Pada video kali ini, saya akan mencetak kaos seperti ini dengan memakai mangkok dan kuas. Siapkan kaosnya, kemudian potongan dus atau karton. Masukkan ke dalam kaos, supaya nanti tintanya tidak tembus ke bagian belakang kaos. Siapkan wadah, sendok, tinta pasta rubber, dan pigmen warna. Tuangkan tinta pastanya ke dalam wadah. Kemudian tuangkan pigmen warnanya. Aduk sampai benar-benar merata. Tinta pasta rubber dan pigmen warna ini bisa kalian beli di toko alat sablon terdekat. Siapkan 1 kuas lukis dan 2 kuas cat ukuran 1 inci. Kemudian mangkok plastik. Tutup dengan mangkok. Ambil kuas lukis, kemudian oleskan tinta warna kuning. Fake it till you make it A, and if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain. Sekarang, oleskan memakai kuas cat. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Go, when you feel slow, you can still go. Go, when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Diamkan sampai kering. Ulangi lagi supaya warnanya lebih pekat. Everybody in the world blind. Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Everybody in the world blind. Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day. Diamkan sampai kering. Tutup kembali dengan mangkok yang tadi. Sekarang oleskan tinta warna hitam. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. Diamkan sampai kering. Lepaskan alasnya. Tutup pakai kertas HPS
Kemudian setrika pada suhu maksimal supaya tekstur sablon lebih halus.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid.
Dan inilah hasilnya.
I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Semoga sedikitnya bermanfaat untuk kalian. Sampai jumpa pada video berikutnya.